Let's see what this is going to give us. Good. So we'll just put in all the details once again and just see quickly how much it's going to charge us. All right. So it's still loading. Remember, it was 1 million pieces we wanted to buy the other time. Okay. So let's just put in 1 million pieces again and let's see. Let's see, what is that? Is it, well, no, that's not up to 1 million pieces. So that's, oh, look at it. Oh, it's like the price. Oh, what am I saying? Has it gone up? Oh, 100,000. Sorry. It was supposed to be 1 million. I think the price has gone up. No, it hasn't. Still good. All right. So let's see how much this is going to give us. Okay. This is the price. So it's giving us a 0.5% tolerance slippage. Okay, so what are we going to get? Everything is still probably the same. Let's just click on swap just to even see. Oh, it's waiting for us to go over and see. Let's see what it's telling us here. This is the fees. We want to know, is it the same? Is it the same? We just want to, okay, let's go over. Confirm swap. Okay, we haven't even confirmed the swap. All right, so what is that currently now? Let's just go and check what that is going to be. Let's just click on confirm swap. It's waiting for us to go and get this sorted. Let's just load this up and see what it's giving us, just to check whether the amount is still the same. Okay, so look at it. The price we were being charged. You can actually go through. Look at it. Total. Wow, look at this. The price that we're spending, the max fee. Interesting. Gas fee is what? 21 cents. And what we're buying, this is the amount plus gas fees. Okay, so the amount, if you look at it here, the amount is 26 cents naturally, plus 21 cents. So actually it's cheaper to get it bought on Pancakeswap, so we'll go with that, right? But because we need more, we need like about 21 cents for gas fees. So I would say, I mean, if you're doing it on Pancakeswap, so that means that if we're going to sell back, we still need to have some more money. But let's just go ahead and just do this one. I just want to get this one done, and I'll send in some money for the other one. Let's just confirm. Right, pretty. So it's pending. Let's see how long that will take. Beautiful. So we have actually bought that. Okay, so let's see how much it's going to charge us to sell. Okay, so we have bought it. Let's see whether we will see the tokens. Okay, we are not seeing the tokens here, but if I import the tokens, we'll see them already bought, and it will add, it will become part of, it will change. In fact, let me go and let me just import tokens so that we'll see what I'm talking about. So you will see that let me put in the contract address. I hope it's still there. Yeah, all right, that's import tokens. The amount we'll have now, we'll see, will be different. So you can see now the amount we have bought. So it's taken part of it. Don't forget that they take part of it as the fees. Okay, so what we have here, it's 120,000 pieces was taken. So that means that 120 out of 1 million, what's that? Is that not 12%? I think that's 12%. So 12% of that, yeah. Remember that tax, don't forget, the tax was 12%. That is it. So you have to take note of this now. Whatever anybody gets to buy will be the amount minus 12%. That's it. Interesting. And whatever they sell will be the amount minus 7%. That's really interesting. So now that that has happened, so instead of us getting 1 million tokens, we got 880 tokens. Okay. Now that 120 pieces is what's now going to be used as the rewards, tax that goes to, the dev, the marketing, and all of those things, and the holders. That's how this coin, generates its own. It goes back into the liquidity. So let's go and check what happened on PooCoin. Okay. Let's go back and see. Okay, we can see that we have 880 tokens now. If you check the activity, you'll see all of this was happening here and there. Let's go back and see what's going on in PooCoin, and let's see what the price has become. Interesting. Look at that. We can see that 1 million Instra one has been bought. The price 26, and now the price token. This is the amount. So we want to see what has gone on in it. So we can see one purchase has been made. That's interesting. I'm just interested in looking at what's going on in the chart. So we'll go to let's go to Guru, Dex Guru. Okay, see, our chart is interesting. It's going up. Can you see that? This is really cool. You can see what happens, and this is what happens in the real world, in the market. See what the price is now. The price. Oh, what's that? What have I done? Okay. Let me change this. So this is also another chart. The price. This is the price now. Oh, why is it going back? Price is 259966. Now, because it takes into events, into consideration the whole entire market cap of it. That's why it's looking at the price. Okay, so the price is brought about by the entire, even though what we have is $19 that we put in, but it's also looking at the remaining 25 million pieces that was not, that liquidity wasn't added to, but what it equates now comes to 25 million, $25. That's what it's looking at, right? So if I look at let's try and check the time frame. This is 10 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes, it's just showing the different. I'm going to go now and make a purchase. I'll see what happens to it. So that's what we're doing. We're learning about charting, because as it's been bought, prices go up. As it's been sold, prices go down. So right now it's on a green candle, and it's it's taking it's looking at it, it's going on, right? So let's go ahead and go back and sell.